Hi, welcome back my friends to our channel on Learn Hypnosis Now. Now my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis in 1972, started teaching in 1977, and last 42 years I have conducted my live training programs all over the world, and more than 500,000 in my live training programs and become successful, and in 170 countries. Yes my friend, in 170 countries. I created a lot of video, audios, and ebooks available on my website. And now in this particular video, before we go to the video, the important thing is, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and click onto the bell button, notification button, to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And we are going to upload a lot of new techniques in this series right now. So my friend, in this series I am going to give you right now, show you a clipping from my live training programs where I call one of the participants on the stage and do instant hypnosis using shorter version of day 11 induction. And after the person relax in hypnosis, I give him a suggestion for hypnotic anesthesia. Watch me doing it and you will really love it. So come back after that. Now come closer. Fit together, fit together, fit together. Look at my hand. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes down. That's right. You are doing a wonderful job. Put your awareness on both of your eyelids and pretend they are so heavy, so relaxed to the point that the muscles won't work at all, and your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. Want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. Know in your heart. And when you really know that you are doing well, try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. Try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't. Stop trying, keep your eyes closed, keep your eyes closed. Yes, keep your eyes closed. Send the same quality of relaxation from your eyelids to the top of your head, then down to the tips of your toes. Feel a wonderful wave of relaxation going down to the point. All the muscles and nerves in your whole body completely loose, limp and relaxed. That's right. You're doing a wonderful job, Kalyan. Now, keep focusing on your eyelids, keep on pretending. All the discomfort is gone from your right hand. Whatever I do over here, you feel no discomfort at all. In fact, what I do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. Just relax your hand and enjoy. That's right. Very, very deeply. What I do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. Keep all the discomfort is gone from your right hand. What I do over here, feel no discomfort at all. What I do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. That's right. You're doing a wonderful job. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper and deeper. Relax. That's right. And now in a moment, I'll count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you'll open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. 1, feel the energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2, become aware of your surroundings. And 3, open your eyes and notice how good you feel. Standing, sleeping, You came all night walking or what?
No.
Good idea. Enjoyed relaxation?
Yes.
Wait. Not yet over. No clapping yet. I was working on my right hand. Did you feel any discomfort?
No.
Look at your hand. Wonderful nail marks by Pradeep Aggarwal.
Right.
So my friend, you really enjoyed the demo in my workshop. I picked up somebody and did that. And before I did that, we did few things. I did a compliance test to make sure he is willing to do it. Then I used a shorter version of day 11 induction. If you want a longer version, it is there in one of the videos. You watch the video. That is a standing induction. I love doing it. And then I gave him a hypnotic suggestion that whatever I do on his right hand, he feel no discomfort at all. And then I pinch him with my nails and he feel nothing. And when he came out, he was really surprised by seeing the nail mark. So you can also do the same thing. Only thing, watch me doing it, or want to really learn it to do it, come to my live training programs. There is a link below. Click on the link. Go to my website. If there is a workshop happening at the time you are watching, register immediately, because whenever we announce the workshop get full immediately within 6, 7 or 8 days. So my friend, it's a practical workshop. Learn by doing it. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel right now, subscribe and click on the notification bell button so that you'll get all the new videos. And we are going to put a lot of videos now on this series in Learn Hypnosis Now. I'm looking forward to meeting you personally soon. All the best. Thank you very much, and wait for the new video to come very soon. Thank you.